Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to enable and manage comments on your WordPress site, whether it's for your pages or posts. If you've been wondering why your readers can't leave comments or you just want more control over how discussions happen on your site, this quick guide will walk you through everything step by step. Let's get started. First, head over to wordpress.com. This is where you manage your entire WordPress website. At the top right corner, click Log In. You'll see several options to sign in. The easiest one is Continue with Google, since it's quick and secure. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your WordPress dashboard, the control center where all the customization happens. Now, let's turn on comments for a page. On the left-hand menu, click Pages, then select All Pages. This will show you a list of every page on your website. Find the page you want to update and hover over it. You'll see a few options appear underneath the title. Click on Quick Edit. Here's where the magic happens. In the Quick Edit menu, look for the checkbox labeled Allow Comments. If you want visitors to be able to comment on that page, make sure this box is checked. If you prefer to keep that page clean and free of comments, just uncheck it. When you're done, click Update at the bottom to save your changes. And that's it. You've just enabled or disabled comments for that specific page. Now, if you want to manage comments on your blog posts, the process is almost identical. Go to the post section from the same sidebar, click All Posts, and use Quick Edit to turn comments on or off for each post individually. You can also control this globally by going to Settings Discussion. This lets you choose default options for all new posts moving forward. Once everything's set, your readers can start interacting with your content, leaving feedback, or asking questions right under your posts, all helping to boost engagement and community around your site. And that's how easy it is to enable and manage comments on WordPress in 2025. Whether you're running a blog, a business site, or a personal portfolio, managing comments gives you control over your site's conversations. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Yes, we're practicing what we just learned. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.